Whoa. Frying out the hair, what to wear, making sure they look right. They look just right. All the pretty boys line up to take them out for a spin, trying not to break them. All the pretty girls go out on Saturday night. Whoa. But I'm not like that. I'm not like that. Yeah, I stand out in the crowd. I don't blend in, so I'm not trying hard to hide. Change your mind, yeah, it's true. So don't tell me that you don't notice, that you don't notice, 'cause you don't know shit. Don't tell me that you don't notice, that you don't notice, 'cause you don't know. Now the pretty boys and the girls get to go for a ride. Whoa. Cruising from the bar after dark and everything's fine. Yeah, it's just fine.